Interested in updating your LinkedIn profile? Watch this video to update it together. It will take you less than 10 minutes to do if you watch this video, whether it be your headline, the name pronunciations, the banner, your summary, little tips that will help you pop out your LinkedIn profile. Welcome to the future. My name is String, 4 times LinkedIn top voice, and I have over 45,000 followers interested in learning about personal branding. So subscribe and like if you're interested in knowing more about this. But I'm super excited. Are you super excited? I'm super excited to see your LinkedIn profile, and let's update it together. Use this video to update your headline, your summary, your banner, and audio pronunciation. Yes, your audio is a tool to leverage as well. Your content, what else is there? That's about it. But if you update these things, it's going to help you pop out, find new opportunities, whether it be business, finding a job, finding clients, networking. LinkedIn profile is a super tool, more than a resume, that allows you to do all these things and find new opportunities. LinkedIn headlines is 120 characters that focuses on your value proposition, on your superpower. But think about it, it's your tagline, it's your pitch line. Showcase your superpowers in a way that attracts people's attention and make them do one thing: to click on your profile. So build a curiosity, pique their interest, and create a compelling 120 characters that showcases your superpower. Meet Adam. He's a recruiter, 18 years, but what I love is that he has a call to action. DMs are open to compel people to write to him and let them know that he is open and accessible for people to message him. So that's a great way of having a call to action in your headline. String you in. Okay, Clubhouse, StringStory, meaning that I'm really active on Clubhouse, but what I focus on is 3 things: my Clubhouse handle name, because I'm active on Clubhouse, my 4 times LinkedIn top voice as a way to showcase my cred, and also follow for the trusted guide. That's my call to action. Follow for the trusted guide for personal marketing and LinkedIn. So I have a call to action, but it also showcases my superpower and my value proposition as well. And the next one that I want to do is, if you're a professional, it has 2 things: value proposition, raising awareness about mental health, and he's an account executive. So he puts his job title there. So he's more discoverable and searchable on LinkedIn. Let's stick with Ryan's profile. I love how he leverages the audio name pronunciation as a way to reel in people's attention, but also introduce himself and build rapport. He says,
"Thanks for checking out my profile. Are you passionate about mental health? Let's chat. My name's Ryan, by the way.
I'm interested in this topic, and my name is Ryan, by the way." So you can use that same tagline as a way to build rapport and make people like, wow, I want to meet and connect with this person as well. So use the name pronunciation as a way to, 1, introduce yourself, build rapport, and let people know that you're super interested in connecting with them as well. Be personal. LinkedIn summary, or the about section is what it's called now, is an opportunity for you to tell your story, your brand, your values. It's more than just hey, I do this, I do that, look how awesome I am. It's a way for you to showcase your superpowers and attract the people that want to connect with you as well. So use your section, your about section, to tell about you. That's why it's called an about section, right? So here's my little 3 frameworks that I use to help you build up your LinkedIn about section. The first is the hook line, second part is the body, then the third part is the call to action. The first one is, I leave that to the last because that's a game of psychology, but what it is, it's the first line that builds up the intrigue, because LinkedIn is all about clicks, building up the interest. And the same principle is applied to your LinkedIn headline, and it's also applied to your LinkedIn summary. For your LinkedIn summary, the first line is wow, I want to know who this person is. If you're a coach, using the line, are you struggling with your career or you're hitting a ceiling? Then read more. See how you want to know, oh my God, I feel like this person knows me. Use the first line of your about section as a way to build intrigue and build up curiosity. The second part is the fun part. It's telling your story, whether it be about your value proposition, about who you are, about your origin story, about the cool things that you've done, but also you understand who your audience is. If you're a coach, writing about the struggles and why you're the solution is great. Or if you're an entrepreneur, telling your origin story and how you came to be who you are and what problems you're solving is also a compelling way to tell your story. If you're professional, showcase your expertise and promote your business, or your company, I should say. You're the face of your company. So use it as a way to promote you, your values, and your company's values at the same time. They appreciate you for it. And the third part is the call to action. Do you want to connect with people? Do you want people to follow you? Do you want people to book a discovery call? What is that one action that you want people to do? Also, write in the open to opportunities as well. Speaking gigs, podcast interviews. This is an opportunity for you to build up your relationship, but let people know what kind of thing that you want people to talk about with you. So set the boundary, set the framework for people to connect with you, but also reach out to you based on the things that you want them to connect to you for. I have to admit, professionals are super scared of color, and I noticed that profile pictures are very subdued or very serious. Too serious, I say. And this is an opportunity for you to stand out, because when you're commenting or when you're on the timeline, you want your profile pic to have color to pop out and let people know, oh, there's String, or there's Bob, or there's John, or there's Judy with their awesome profile pic that has color in it. So don't be afraid to leverage colors. I'm going to give you 3 easy tips on how to do that yourself so you could have color in your background as well. 1, pick a picture that you like. Selfies are actually okay for this case because you go remove the background. On your iPhone, there's a portrait mode that makes you look quite stunning, I have to say. Make sure that you take a lot of portrait pictures and have it on a plain background, so then you could leverage step number 2. On the second step, upload your picture to remove.bg, and what's going to do is that it's going to remove, then using some kind of AI to remove the background so you could only have the picture yourself. 3, upload this new picture onto canva.com, and it's going to allow you to pick the colors that you like. Make sure the color that you want to be associated with and also that you care about, because it's going to help you pop out. And then upload that picture, the new one, onto your new LinkedIn profile because it's going to look really stunning. So there are the 3 steps. Take lots of pictures, remove the background, and upload to Canva. And the 4th one is to upload it to your LinkedIn profile. Let's talk about banners and how to use Canva to create an awesome banner. All you have to do is go onto canva.com, type in LinkedIn banner, and it will set the size for you. And all you have to do is use it as a way to promote your business, because a LinkedIn banner is a billboard that should promote the call to action that you want to promote, or to let people know what kind of channel that you are. The new trend these days is to create and make your LinkedIn profile as a channel where you're like the go-to expert or the go-to authority or the trusted voice in that topic. Ever since I've switched from being a channel, I became that place where people want to know about personal brand and marketing as well. So if you want to know anything about LinkedIn or the newest trends for social media, people follow me on that. So use Canva as a way to create your awesome new banner, because it's got the size for you already set. Just make sure that it's promoting the one thing that you want to do. Don't overcomplicate it with lots of text. Make it visually stunning. Takeaway time. LinkedIn, super powerful, more than just a resume platform. It's a profile that can be treated like a landing page where you could attract your audience, attract business, and attract opportunities. So use it as a way to update your headline, your value proposition. Treat it like an exercise that will help you grow your personal brand today. So I hope that helps. If you're interested in knowing more about personal branding, I have a lot of videos on LinkedIn, Clubhouse, and social media trends for you to leverage to grow your brand and business today. I'll see you again in the next video for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the future. My name is String, and I love fried chicken. On a side note, check out my pimple. And when you're recording, there'll be days when your pimple says like, String, don't do it. You look ugly. Your pimple is popping out. It's making you look bad. But don't listen to your pimple. Don't listen to that thing that says don't film. Don't listen to the amount of excuses that says don't film. The that's another conversation in itself. Which reminds me, let's add that to the list of agendas of the videos I want to record. And if you're curious about what my pimple keeps on saying, follow and subscribe for more awesome videos and overcoming that excuses the mindset to film.